Do you want your own personal web application firewall that you can control fully? Presenting SafeLine. SafeLine is a self-hosted web application firewall to protect your web apps from attacks and exploits. A web application firewall helps protect web apps by filtering and monitoring HTTP traffic between the web application and the internet. It typically protects web apps from attacks such as SQL injection, XSS, code injection, OS command injection, CTRLF injection, LAP injection, XPath injection, RCE, XXE, SSRF, path traversal, backdoor, brute force, HTTP flood, bot abused, among others. Let me scroll. So this is available on GitHub, obviously, and you can check the details here. They have a the good schematics on how it works, and all the details you may want, and some screenshots that you may watch and see, and all the main features. So if you want your own personal web application firewall, your personal WAF, SafeLine is here. You can see the docs, the webpage, live demo, and join the Discord if you have any questions. SafeLine, your own personal WAF. Thank me later.